Hi folks, Chris Caliendo from Easy Wood Tools here in my home workshop. Guys, you know how frustrating it can be when you've got your lathe all set up to do some turning on a Saturday afternoon and your wife comes over and hands you her honeydew list. Yikes. Well, now thanks to the creativity of my friend and friend of Easy Wood Tools, Zach Higgins from NV Woodworks, I can do both. Zach created this nice bowl blank for me that's basically a Alumilite bowl with post-it notes embedded in the body of the bowl. But what's really cool about this blank is on the post-it notes, Zach wrote my honeydew list. So let's get started. So I've prepped my bowl blank. I glued on a chucking block on the back side, trued it up, and prepped the tenon. My next step is to change out my jaws for my bowl.
Chris is getting the chuck prepped by swapping out the big Easy Jaws for the dovetail jaws on the Easy Chuck system, utilizing the patented snap lock technology. No screws needed to get lost into your sawdust, and most importantly, the quick 30-second change of your jaws.
Had a lot of fun working on my honeydew bowl today. Again, I want to thank Zach Higgins at NV Woodworks. Thanks to his creativeness, my honeydew list will never again be forgotten. I'd like to thank Carl Jacobson for all his turning tips and working with Alumilite materials this year. Also like to thank my producer, my videographer, my commercial voiceover, and my wife Christy for helping me work on this project today. I'm Chris Caliendo, and remember, at Easy Wood Tools, we don't just make the tools, we have fun turning.